And here's a simple DIY combination that surprised me the most. Castor oil plus a few drops of aloe vera gel plus almond oil. This mix feels lighter on the skin, but still deeply hydrating. Do you know that wrinkles don't suddenly appear overnight? They actually form slowly over time in a way most people don't even notice until it becomes visible in the mirror. It starts with something very subtle, a slight dryness after washing your face, a faint, tight feeling when you smile, and a change in how light reflects off your skin. And one day, it feels like your skin no longer looks as smooth as it used to, even if you still feel young inside. What I'm going to show you in this video is not a miracle claim, but a simple and practical way people are using castor oil with natural ingredients to help their skin look smoother and more hydrated over time. And later in this video, I'll also show you one mistake people make that actually makes wrinkles look worse instead of better. So stay with me until the end. Castor oil itself has been used for centuries in traditional skincare practices, especially in regions like India and Africa, where natural oils were a key part of daily skincare routines long before modern creams existed. It comes from the castor bean plant, and what makes it interesting is its rich content of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that helps the skin retain moisture and feel more supported. Now here is the first practical step you can take immediately. Never use castor oil alone in large amounts. Instead, mix just a few drops with a lighter oil like almond oil or olive oil so it spreads evenly on the skin. This helps prevent heaviness and allows the skin to absorb it gradually instead of sitting on the surface. When you apply it, do not rub harshly. Gently press it into the skin using your fingertips, especially around areas where wrinkles are starting to appear. This simple change reduces unnecessary friction and makes the routine more comfortable for mature skin. Before we go further, take a second to like this video and subscribe, because what I'm about to show next is where most people make a mistake without realizing it, and it completely changes how their skin responds over time. Now, most people don't realize that wrinkles become more visible not only because of age, but because of moisture loss in the outer skin layer. When skin becomes dry, it reflects light unevenly, making lines appear deeper than they actually are. This is where castor oil becomes useful, not because it removes wrinkles instantly, but because it helps reduce moisture loss, allowing the skin to appear smoother and more supported over time. And this is exactly where we will continue, because the way you combine it with other oils and how you layer it on your skin is what determines the real result you will see over time. Because once you begin using castor oil consistently, the key is not intensity, but combination and timing. Many people don't realize that skin doesn't respond to one product alone. It responds to a system. What I started doing next was adjusting how I used castor oil depending on my skin condition each day. On dry days, I mixed it with olive oil for deeper hydration. On normal days, I used almond oil to keep things light. And on sensitive days, I reduced the amount and focused more on gentle application instead of quantity. Now here is something very important. If your skin is more on the dry side, castor oil alone will feel too thick, so combining it with olive oil helps seal moisture longer. If you are dealing with dark spots, adding a few drops of rosehip oil can support brighter looking skin over time. And if your skin is sensitive, chamomile-infused oil helps reduce irritation while still nourishing the surface. But I didn't stop there, because I realized something even more powerful. Application timing matters just as much as ingredients. So I started using this oil blend only at night, right before sleep, when the skin naturally repairs itself. This simple timing change made the routine more effective because the skin wasn't exposed to sun, pollution, or friction. And here's a simple DIY combination that surprised me the most. Castor oil plus a few drops of aloe vera gel plus almond oil. This mix feels lighter on the skin, but still deeply hydrating. Aloe helps soothe the surface, almond oil softens texture, and castor oil locks everything in. When applied gently, this combination creates a more balanced feel, not oily, not dry, just smooth and hydrated. Over time, what I noticed was not an overnight transformation, but a slow shift. The skin felt more comfortable, less tight in the morning, and more even in texture under natural light. That is the kind of improvement that actually lasts because it builds gradually. And emotionally, something else started changing too. I stopped feeling like I needed to hide my skin or constantly fix it with heavy products. Instead, I started trusting a simple routine that felt sustainable. Remember this, results are not about speed, they are about consistency. If you stay consistent with the right combinations and gentle application, your skin responds in its own time. So start small, stay consistent, and let your skin adjust naturally. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can discover simple ways to care for their skin. Because sometimes the simplest routines are the ones people ignore the most. And finally, remember this, results are not about speed, they are about consistency. If you stay consistent with the right combinations and gentle application, your skin responds in its own time. So start small, stay consistent, and let your skin adjust naturally. Never use castor oil alone in large amounts. Instead, mix just a few drops with a lighter oil like almond oil or olive oil so it spreads evenly on the skin. This helps prevent heaviness and allows the skin to absorb it gradually instead of sitting on the surface. Remember this, results are not about speed, they are about consistency. If you stay consistent with the right combinations and gentle application, your skin responds in its own time. So start small, stay consistent, and let your skin adjust naturally. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can discover simple ways to care for their skin.